let's make this simple dinner and you will love it. It was very simple and easy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. Thank you so much for your time. I have my fish here. The name will be on the screen, and then I'm just going to add my water to it so it becomes soft. Thank you so much for your time. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you so much. Please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos and share to others. Thank you so much. Now, this is how I'm going to clean the fish. Okay, yes, I will just open it like how you are seeing on the screen, and then I'm going to pull it out, but I won't show you what will come out because it's not not everyone wants to see that. Okay, yes, so now it is out, and I have washed it very well with my lemon juice, and also this is how it looks, very clean and beautiful. I'm just going to make some incisions on it, just like how you are seeing on the screen. Then we proceed. It had some scale on it. Okay, yes, thank you so much. We are done cleaning everything. I'll go ahead and add my salt and all-purpose seasoning, add some water, allow it to stay for a while, okay, so that it can taste good. That is just by the way. So I have my scallions, I have some basil, I have garlic, pepper, ginger. I'm just going to wash it. After washing it, I added some cloves and cumin. I'll go ahead and add some oil to this and then blend it very well. After blending, we are just going to prepare it like a stew, and then we proceed. Are you still with me? Thank you so much. When I blended the ingredients, I added some fish seasoning to it. You can omit it if you don't want it. Okay, thank you so much. Now I've added my parsley, and I'll give it a stir. I love parsley. So now we have removed the fish and used our paper towel to drain the water from it. Now it looks very dry. I'll add our marinade and then allow the fish to marinate for maybe 10 minutes. Okay, then we proceed. Thank you so much. Are you still with me? If yes, have you subscribed? And have you followed? If no, can you do so for me? As I said earlier, it is free. Thank you for doing it. I know you have done it. And please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very happy to see you on my Facebook page at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Now I'm done with everything. After 10 minutes, I will just put this in my air fryer, and at 350 Fahrenheit, and then for the time that it will be ready. Okay, so after 50 minutes, I decided to rub it with some oil and then soya. Okay, so I have my soya powder here. I added some oil to it so that I can make a paste. So that is what you are seeing on the screen. What you are seeing is not for painting. What? Please, it's not for painting. We have the one that you use for pastries. Okay, so after 15 minutes, I removed the fish, and that is what I'm doing to the fish. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. It is not for painting. I know what I'm saying. Someone will come and tell me, why are you using that instead of so I just don't want to see the comment. So I'm telling you before you write that comment. Hey, assemble. So I'll rub it on the fish very well, then put it in the air fryer again. So I'll place it in the air fryer for just 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, making 20 minutes, this is how it looks. So delicious. We paired this with our banku, and oh my goodness, it was so nice. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you, and take good care of yourself. Love yourself first. Enjoy your life, and see you in the next video. I love you. Bye. Thank you.